Welcome to another Nature Talk. Today's topic is the grass of Parnassus. Grass of Parnassus, in Iowa anyway, is located generally in fens or swampy areas. It's a small plant. It grows in fens which are saturated soil, so that the soil is saturated by groundwater and by surface water. So at times it can be really spongy, like quaking soil. But anyway, the grass of Parnassus are small white flowers, stars, and they're technically not even a grass. They're a wildflower. But the title is Grass of Parnassus. Very interesting little plants, little flowers, and they only grow in certain environments. So having said that, with the grass of Parnassus, like so many wildflowers, please come out and enjoy them, but do not try to transplant them. They will not survive being transplanted. Their requirements are fen-like soil. The water's got to be a certain pH or neutral. Just don't even try to transplant them. Come out and enjoy them in a fen near you, if that fen is fortunate enough to have them. Thanks for watching this Nature Talk.